In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Meet on your Mac. This process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure a smooth installation. Whether you are using Google Meet for work meetings, online classes, or just to connect with friends and family, having the app installed can streamline your experience. So let's get started with the setup. First, open your preferred web browser on your Mac. Since Google Meet works seamlessly with Google Chrome, it's recommended to use this browser. If you haven't already installed Chrome, take a moment to download and install it from Google's official website. The process is quick and can enhance your use of Google Apps. Once you've got Chrome up and running, you'll notice an icon on the top right corner of the browser window that looks like a computer with a downward arrow. This icon is essential for the installation process, as it allows you to install web apps directly from the browser. Click on this icon to begin. After clicking, you'll be prompted with a few on-screen instructions. Google has designed these prompts to be user-friendly, guiding you step by step through the installation process. Start by reviewing the permissions and options presented to you, ensuring that everything aligns with your preferences. You'll then see a message asking if you would like to install Google Meet as a progressive web application. By choosing to install it, you'll get the convenience of accessing Google Meet directly from your Mac's Applications folder. This means you won't need to open a browser tab every time you want to join or start a meeting, making your workflow more efficient. Continue following any additional prompts that may appear. These are designed to help tailor the experience to fit your needs, such as placing a shortcut on your desktop for easy access. Once you've followed all the on-screen instructions, the installation will conclude and you'll find Google Meet readily accessible. A helpful tip: consider signing into your Google account on Chrome if you haven't already. Doing so will make scheduling meetings, accessing your contacts, and managing your Google Calendar directly from the app seamless. If you run into any hiccups during installation, double-check your internet connection and ensure your browser is updated to the latest version. And there you have it. Google Meet is installed and ready to go on your Mac. Whether you're tackling your next